Hi, my name is Nur Zamira. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to use Telegram. Let's get started. Please click the button below this video. First, how to get into Telegram. To get into Telegram, you need to sign in using your phone number. Type in your phone number, and click Next. Click Send Code as SMS, and you will get a message containing 5-digit codes. Fill in the code in the code section, and that's it. We are already on the Telegram. How to join a channel. To join a channel, you can search the channel that you want in the search engine. Then, click on the channel that you want, and click Join. How to find bot. To find a bot, you can click the search engine, and search the bot that you want. Click on the bot that you want, click Start, choose Language. Paste the link. Wait for the bot to reply. Now, you can save the video by clicking the Save Video button. How to create a folder. To create a folder, go to Setting, click Chat Folder. Click Create New Folder, and fill in the folder name. Then, choose any chat that you want to insert in the folder, click Done. Lastly, click Create. That is how to create a folder in Telegram. How to change the appearance. To change the appearance, go to Setting, and click Appearance. Now, you can change the theme, background, turn on or turn off the night mode, set the auto night mode, change text size, adjust the message corner, and change the app icon. How to save messages. To save a message, long press the message that you want, click Forward, and select Saved Messages. To find the messages that you have saved, first, you can click the Saved Messages box. Second, you can go to Setting, and click Saved Messages. How to use the slide features. In the Telegram, when you slide the chat box to the left, you can unmute, or mute the chat, delete the chat, or archive the chat. When you slide the chat box to the right, you can pin the chat, or put it on the top of the chat list. You can also click on the Read button, to clear the unread message icon. How to share channel link in Telegram. To share the link, first, click the channel, then, click the title of the channel. Click the share link, and copy the link. You may paste the link anywhere, and send the link to anyone. That is all from me. Thank you for your time. Good luck.